Okay, she's all back together and everything, and I got it off the ramp, so we'll go ahead and start it up and see what happens here. And remember, when I put it down in gear, you would hear that noise. Let me get the ding ding to stop. All right, and put the AC on. It's on. I don't hear that noise no more. There, it's off. Turn it back on. I'll be quiet. You can hear it. And there, it kicked back on. So I'll drive it here, take it around the block. Now I did find a pulley on that AC unit. It was loose, and here is a quick video of it. Let me just show you real quick. I started spinning some pulleys. I spun the alternator one, and I got down here, and lo and behold, if my camera is focused, I want to show you what I did find. Watch this when I move this around. It is loose. This whole pulley on this AC compressor is loose right here. Bearing is shot. So I am going to have to go ahead and replace the bearing, it looks like, on this compressor. This was my problem every time I would turn it on, the AC on. This pulley, if I can get my hand under here, I'm going to hold the camera steady. You see it's moving side to side. It has issues. Okay, now we'll go ahead and drive it. Alright, well, that noise is gone, but I still have that whining noise. Now that might be because of that pulley on the AC unit. I don't think it's supposed to wobble back and forth like that, but that's something I'll have to research later. Turn this back off. Let me turn it back on. Yeah, it took care of that noise. So don't go replacing all your alternators and your compressors and everything. Just make sure you check that pulley on the compressor, and also check your tensioner. But my biggest issue was my tensioner. It hasn't done it since. I'm at a stop sign. Let me turn it back on. It's back on. And when I'd give it gas, I would hear it, but now I'm not hearing it. Great. So it looks like I fixed most of the problem. I will do some research on that whining noise with the pump. I'll see if you can hear it when I give it gas. I think you can hear it there a little bit. That's that noise. So I don't know, the AC works cold, so I'll do some research on it, and if I find out that that is the actual cause of the whine on this Caravan, I will let you guys know. But thanks for watching, and hopefully this will help somebody out and all that. So it looks like no more thumping noise when I go to take off. That makes me happy. So thanks a lot for watching, and like I said, I'll give you guys an update a little bit later on how everything seems to be going with the car.